Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how can I help you?
It is time to prayers. I am new here to this area. I don't know where the nearest mosque is. Could you please help me?
Yes, why not? The nearest mosque is not far from here.
It's great to find. Could you please, how can I go there?
Of course. First of all, go straight, then take left turn, and you will see the mosque beside a market.
Oh, is it very easy to find?
Yes, it is. You will also can hear the call to prayer when you get close.
That's helpful. I was worried because I have never visited this area before.
Don't worry, man. People here are very kindful and helpful.
That's nice to know. Do many people pay to this area, to this mosque?
Yes, especially Friday prayer and evening prayer.
I see. Is it old or newly built?
Oh, it's quite old, but it was renovated recently.
That's wonderful. I always enjoy visiting a beautiful mosque.
Me too. The environment there are very peaceful.
By the way, do you live around here?
Yes, I have been living here for 10 years.
Then you must know about this area.
Yes, I know this area very well.
Actually, it is here to visit a friend. This is my first time this area.
Oh, let's explain it. I hope you enjoy your visit.
People here seem very kind and welcoming.
I am glad you think so.
Okay, brother, thank you so much for your help and time.
It's my pleasure. Have a nice day, brother.
Okay, brother, have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.